What's up everyone? So I am here in Duluth, Georgia. I'm about to try out I Love Hotpot. And also they have entertainment here, which they have I Love Bowling. And it is Cambodian owned. And I'm about to go meet the owner right now. Let's go. Hello. Hey, are you Paul?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
okay.
Paul.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Wow, beautiful.
Well,
Yeah, thank you, Paul.
how's everything been?
Good. Good. Love Georgia so far.
So good. Awesome.
True. ចឹងបងមាននៅនេះមាន flavor អីគេខ្លះនៅទឹកស៊ុប
នៅនេះស៊ុបនៅនេះមានជា flavor មួយល្បីជាងគេជា Tom Yum called I Love Hotpot. That's one of the best selling one. The number 2 like B is soup គោដូចជា phở ហ្នឹង soup phở ចឹងបាទអានោះទី2ល្បីទី2ទី3ជា soup សាច់មាន់អូយើងយកឆ្អឹងមាន់ងាស់ដល់ប្រហែល7 8 10ម៉ោងណាអូវ៉ាវបាទដែលយើងថែមបន្លែថែមស៊ុបតាមគ្រឿងទៅបានជាបានស៊ុបមាន់ហ្នឹងណាអូហើយរឿងស៊ុបគោក៏យ៉ាងដែរស៊ុបថៃក៏យ៉ាងដែរបាទខ្ញុំមាន4ស៊ុបមានថៃមានសាច់គោសាច់មាន់ឬជា vegetarian បន្លែរបស់អូអូខេក្រៅពីហ្នឹង everything else យើងយកតាមខ្មែរហើយ what do you call it? Conveyor belt? រថយន្តខ្សែក្រវ៉ាត់រថយន្តខ្សែក្រវ៉ាត់ត្រូវហើយមកពីវាមានម៉ូតរថយន្តអត់ដឹងដែរប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងបើថាដឹងថាអានេះគេហៅអីគេចាំជួយបកស្រាយផងនេះនេះ conveyor belt នេះyou take them to the sauce bar and jump on as spices you want, whatever you want.
Oh, okay, the sauce bar over there. Okay.
You apply.
Okay, bong.
You can incorporate whatever you want.
Okay, thank you.
You make it out.
Okay.
But nhâm sop ta cũng đặt trong soup.
Okay.
You đặt trong soup, you change the flavor.
Right, right.
Okay. You take dipping sauce when you look when you soup sauce.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Chơi nhanh.
Okay, okay, bong. So Raquel, how do we order here?
So first when you come in, they have these scan here. You can scan the barcode and it pulls up the menu.
So this is a QR code here?
Yes.
Nice. So let's scan the QR code. Alright. I love QR codes. It makes your life so much easier. You don't have to touch the menu, you know. There you go.
So first you would select your type of broth, and then you would they would bring it to you, and then once you do that, then you would just select any of the dish that's on the revolving belt.
Nice.
And it's color coded, so according to the color is the price of how much each dish would be. So for example, if you pull it up, you see the white is $3,
right,
all the way to $10.
ថ្ងៃនេះគឺកន្លែងលាយទឹកជ្រក់ What you got, Bong?
This is called Diablo roll.
Diablo roll. Yeah. Wow, that looks amazing.
We got shrimp tempura, appetizer,
wow,
and super white tuna sashimi.
That looks amazing. Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
Oh yeah, the broth is here. So I got the Tom Yum flavor. Got my sauce, beef soup. នឹងឲ្យធម្មតាពេលខ្ញុំមកសាក hot pot គឺខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសាកទឹកស៊ុបមុន បើទឹកស៊ុបឆ្ងាញ់មានន័យថាពេលយើងដាក់គ្រឿងក្រៅនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងគឺដឹងតែឆ្ងាញ់មក Wow.ឆ្ងាញ់មែន ជូរជ្រះហើយហឹលតិចទៀត Oh wow,ឆ្ងាញ់មែន That's good. That's really good soup. I got the tom yum flavor and it's really, really flavorful. Oh wow. Wow. That's some good sushi.
I haven't ate out of my speakers.
That's some really good sushi. So we gotនេះគេទឹកអំពិលជាមួយនេះដូចស្លាយដីស្លាយដីទៅលើ Cheesecake. Yeah, so cheesecake with fruit tart. Guys, I was about to eat the plastic. I was about to eat the plastic. Oh my god, so I love Hotpot was super good. The soup was very flavorful. I love the fact that they got the conveyor belt running with all different sides to choose from. I'm so stuffed right now. And then I Chan Manten with Tabop on Maling Duluth, Georgia. So I'm going to Nyam no I love Hotpot. Rochit Chan. I feel both Nyam Chan Pig. I trong some rock book. Nhưng ai từ next door từ I love bowling từ bọc bull cái hào bowling nào nè còn là sự điên đôi bọc bull cho này chẳng yên từ next door, okay? So now we are bowling.